Hey Chuck, what are you doing sitting in my chair?
I want to solve some puzzles today and be you.
Awesome. Well, I have the happy birthday puzzle here for you.
Got it.
So there's 4 pieces in there, and there's multiple ways to fit them in the tray, but you have to find your age.
Okay, so 56. So I have to expose the 5 and the 6.
Yes.
Okay, it looks pretty easy to me.
So it's a pretty simple puzzle to fit them in, but to find your age is where it gets quite difficult. So you have to work around how the pieces will fit around your age.
And that's going to be there. And there's always a solution, like you never can be stumped.
Yes. Getting close.
No, because that'll cover my... Sorry if I'm off camera there.
Yeah, I'd start by seeing what fits around the 56 first, and then...
Oh, I'm so close. I'm so close.
I was gonna say, no, leave the larger element. You should be able to do it with that there.
Oh, yeah, because I can switch there. And then I can switch... Oh, I'm so close again. What about if I... No, because then nothing will fit in that spot. Can you see the answer already?
I thought I saw it there for a second, but I don't see it.
You know, I wonder if the straight piece is the one you got to place first. No, because that...
Yeah, it has to be an L in the bottom corner, right? There's no other piece that can sit down there.
This one couldn't it?
Well, yeah, the smaller L and the larger L, right? It'd have to be one of those two.
Right, I see.
So you know those would have to go there and then just kind of go around that, right?
Yeah. But then that
so
can't...
usually do this process of elimination.
Yeah.
So if it's the L on the bottom, that piece might have to be on top. You see above the 5 there?
Right. This piece?
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah. Oh, I see the solve now, yeah.
There it is.
Good to go. Good job, Chuck.
Oh. Nice, 56.